Hello. Now, again, Bridget Benjamin there again to say it as it is. PG News. For this place, we talk na verite. For here, if you come for here, either you do good or you do bad, or one just tell you the truth about things they will need to talk. You know, so we know there for social media drama for this place. We know there for the police people. We know there for call A say B, B say A. We know there for call a boyfriend say husband. For here, we tell we know the copy keep papa say my husband. No. For here, we tell people now the truth about what really they know one year. Because all this, why BBT become on now? Because people don't over talk kind thing that about people for social media, press people. You go see a friend, they do something the bad way, you even throw away inside hole. Now so when I go there, they praise that person. So today, why would they talk about all these things that they happen? I want to bring on another situation. I still for America, would they go back? I want to bring on one sister for that same United States. I don't know whether way today wrong with that people for that country first. This our sister. I bring you last time for PG News here. We bring you know say when we talk something for PG News and person no listing, we go bring the person again second time for still can talk for that person. So today, I don't want to bring that story where all wanna know this story where they go for person for Belgium, people there for USA, and my small sister, then my baby girl them for London, the one there for Italy. Everybody they join inside the news don't they go pim for social media. You see the man they support the man, the one they support the one, the one they support the one. Bridget Benjamin, I don't talk about one man standing are they neutral for any situation where they happen out there. So for here, we go call this our sister again. When they call and say Veronica Forcha, make it reach for this place. Mais, Madame, présentez-vous. Okay, you don't see as I bend my glasses, look you. Veronica, you know why I bring the case again second time for this place? Now because I feel say sometimes you know God small, but you don't prove them for the whole world. Say, you don't take Bible, you turn her upside down. You don't prove them for the whole world, so you take Bible, turn her upside down, because the first PG News will do them for this place. Nobody insults you, nobody talk bad about you. We just bring things the way now only you want. Now so your message for social media. Where you go right under people that post them, we will take them for here for clarify the well. Because time I be talk say there's a marks behind this TV girl there. You, Veronica, now you come now after that one can confirm and for the whole public say yes, there's a marks behind those three girls. I don't tell when I say those people there, my platform too big for the call their name for you. As you, Veronica, don't decide say you want to be celebrity pastor, or a celebrity minister, or a celebrity, we go help you for making me be that celebrity. Now the time this way you want to be celebrity now, BBTV go help you for making me be celebrity by telling you the truth. But before I go come back or tell the Veronica the truth I want to tell you, make a go small break. Okay, una welcome back for this break wey we don go so. Una see for this break na we don show una nice hair dem, beautiful hair dem, all those beautiful hair dem wey we don show una so na one of our sister for the same United States wey dey do am. This our sister na a wife with about how many children dem dey with the husband, dey dey work at the same time, dey still do this hair dem. This hair dem na handmade, as you see how beautiful dey dey so. And this our sister na woman of God. Follow you for Facebook, dem dey call you say Pamela Mokolo. Follow you for Facebook, you go dey there because it dey do powerful prayers dem for deliver you from any sickness, any disease. All una way una know where una say una dey sick or una get problems, or una no know where the problem dey comot. Na the place that una get for follow am, so that for day una go get deliverance prayers dem, healing prayers dem, and everything. God dey use that sister mightily. But instead, when una dey sick, una dey na for gossip page. Pim, gossip page. But well, make I leave that one for now. Thank you, my sister Pamela Mokolo, for the beautiful hair, the way you make them. Make we ourselves start order and sis as well for me for BBTV. I go for the change hair all the time. I need some of that hair then also. Okay, we'll go back for this our sister Veronica Forcha. Veronica Forcha, no person get problem with you. I don't know why you dey take BBTV so personal. I don't know whether not because you know be win Cameroon Career Women Award, you give money, you know win the award, that they make you the vex. I don't know me why you take this thing they so personal and I screenshot this, so I don't put them for outside today. Do one. Now the thing that they can write under my post for tell people say me and you will not get some situation. BBTV with Veronica Forcha no get any problem. Now in this, look at when I watch and in that. They can't write this thing under my post, say Veronica get witch. I carry this thing send for Veronica, for tell Veronica say nothing the person can put under my post. But what happen? Veronica say I try for get the name in master. I don't tell you na fake page, so I don't delete her. So now when this situation can happen, I can look and say na my sisters them, because for this social media, BBTV work now say would you look when our sister they fight, we must try for see how we go solve her. This Royal Mama and Veronica, I say her sister, they don't do domestic violence for Facebook. Veronica do wear t-shirt, they do domestic violence, they support each other. Problem can't come out. I can't go see Veronica a message where you write the thing pass me. I no call Royal Mama because sometimes some of when I see that video, sometimes me and Royal Mama talk, I no call Royal Mama. As I talk on Veronica based on Veronica message where he put up on that person post comment. And Veronica, want to don't notice and you for social media and I say, you will say be woman of God, you dey pray, you dey condemn people, they commit sin, they do this, or the single girl, they go sleep marry people, you yourself marrying a divorced man, the Bible say no marry divorced person. Oh, they do that. Veronica, you as a woman of God, you go there under post where they insult a woman. Una say una dey build woman, they una dey build confidence for woman them. How person go find you, a married woman, under post? I don't talk say some of una the Cameroonian women them una get serious depression. Una no know serious one. Most of una not even they happy inside the house. They can't pretend for social media because no normal woman go she done. Leave in time, in business, go shoot under gossip page, then they comment under, they see another woman, they insult another woman, they ain't not even talk, say no, talk getting the way the person do, but they insult the person. You go there to the comment, and you call yourself say be woman of God, Veronica. I want to go come now for one tell you the truth. The highest thing I say you start attack. The highest thing I say you start fight back. Why you don't like the truth as a woman? Bible say we accept the truth. The truth will set us free. Your own Bible you read and now upside down you turn now. Because any person when a woman will go like the truth. Because that truth go happy. But you your own so you turn and upside down. Now upside down you turn now. If you don't know say this thing the way you do it, you disgrace your own husband for social media. No so. When I want to go, so I used to say they do. Yeah. Are you the preach? Because are you the judge people? I never judge no person say, oh, the person has sinned. I don't want to go heaven. Now go heaven. You now you the judge people over social media every day. They want that they go heaven. They want that they no go heaven. They want that they commit sin. They want that no commit sin. Now you the judge people that you don't come or go join people that they manipulate them. You call yourself a woman of God. Woman of God, where you go join people where they stand, man people where they stand insult other women there for social media. Man people where they get problem that only woman them. Then you as a woman of God, you know feel help for solve the problem. Then when they want tell you, you get up the verse Veronica Forcha. Veronica Forcha, I don't tell you, say, go back with your Bible. They say they attack you. Nobody need to attack you. Nobody. What I tell you for that, the truth. I go ministerial school, I walk with my spirit, I need to walk with my flesh. Sometimes when I see people that were social media, so when I feel say, oh man, as when I be used to judge everybody, when I see their hair, when I judge, when I see their nose, when I judge, when I see this, that judge, they wear skirt, we judge. They do that, they judge. Now let's say when you don't do for marriage, some of us don't be 20. When you don't know something, you should not for day. And if you say you don't reach 7 years complete for legally. But you did the only did the whole social media, any gossip page, Veronica, if you want to respect yourself, respect your husband, come on that gossip page. Now, even now, so you know, we move news the other day. The next way you do, you go on that gossip page, you threaten. 24 hours. This one, give YouTube 5 minutes, immediately move and down. As I don't do it now, so 24 hours, YouTube go move video down. Every situation, you challenge people, so you talk away, you go limbe. All they are screenshot and then this people go say as I put up for day. You they born you for limbe. You just say they born you for side. Go ask some fire before me come. They born me too for limbe. As we now feel so, I just should done for social media. They work at 30 people. When I don't like the truth, God don't call me for tell the truth. We don't need 1 million of una no do me nothing. The same God, the God where they say save and be bigger than they are thing where you work at for social media. They work at cause confusion. You be pastor for who? So some people they call it that spiritual mother. Spiritual mother. And there's one day they support you. They don't play your audio the other today. One or today now they don't play your audio for day. People that hear your audio where you see woman or you give gift. You want me they can't put up for access, so you don't give gift. Thank you. So why you donate for people? You need to work and sing song. If you talk the truth, you need support. Support not before they sing song. Support not before say the person must count now for social media. They dance. People support people every day, and people don't even know say that they support them. So when I want move on, when you want to read that Bible, read and find. Bible say when you give your right hand, your left hand no see am. Then you go to vex with person who take common enemy because they support you no put our ass and then your followers the way you do donation waiting them for them. I no one come for that one. When I go reach for that one, when person is sick, me concentrate for sickness. Me no because the waka under all gossip page because people them for the gossip page the help. I go leave una for now. Thank you now so much for joining BBTV today. Oh. For you, we talk as a day. We need the fear face. The play with the tongue na verite. If you never subscribe, now the button that for down. Subscribe for here. Go for BBTV2 for Facebook. Go follow we. Go watch BJ Benjamin production movies. All our movies and there for our platform. That platform, if you know Iroko, if you know Netflix, no so that's how would be that platform they come. Anytime from now, you go see how big it go be. Our app go there out. Then you go understand. People they say never ever watch BJ Benjamin movie them. Go watch them. BJ Benjamin Production House get one of the best movies that Cameroon ever do. Now we will talk for this place as we don't talk so we'll leave now. Au revoir.